Welcome to Learnpedia. Score more and rank better in JEE and NEET. Let's see if you can answer this actual JEE question. If you think you got the answer, then post it in the comment section below. To know the best way to answer this question, continue watching this video.
Coefficient of self-induction. Number of flux linkage with the coil is proportional to the current. We know. We have studied earlier that number of flux linkages with the coil is proportional to the current. That is, N phi is proportional to I, or N phi. Remove the proportionality, we get a constant Li. Here, N is the number of turns in coil. So, N phi is the total flux linked with the coil or flux linkage. So, we get L is equal to N phi by I. L is called coefficient of self-induction. How to define coefficient of self-induction? As we got, L is equal to N phi by I. If I is equal to 1 ampere, N is equal to 1, then L is equal to phi. That is, coefficient of self-induction of the coil is equal to flux linked with the coil when the current of 1 ampere flows through the coil, whose turn is 1 turn. So we can define the coefficient of self-induction of a coil is equal to the flux linked with the coil when the current in it is 1 ampere. By Faraday's second law, we know EMF E is equal to minus N d phi by dt. I can substitute value of phi. Phi will be equal to Li by N. So EMF can be written as minus L di by dt. So we can also define coefficient of self-induction from here. If di by dt is 1 ampere per second, then EMF is equal to L. The coefficient of self-induction is equal to EMF induced in the coil when the rate of change of current in the coil is unity. So if di by dt is equal to 1 ampere per second, then magnitude of EMF is equal to L. So we can define coefficient of self-induction is equal to EMF induced in the coil when the rate of change of current in the coil is unity. Hence, the coefficient of self-induction is equal to the EMF induced in the coil when the rate of change of current in the coil is unity.
Hey there, hope you understood the concept. Here's the answer to the question that was asked in the beginning. Keep watching to give an edge to your JEE and NEET preparation. Learnpedia's JEE and NEET prep tools contain over 4,000 videos and over 20,000 questions. You can access them online through our website or offline through an SD card or a pen drive. To buy now, visit www.learnpedia.in. You can also try a free demo of the product before buying.